Welcome back to Best Reviews, your trusted place for the latest tech, home, and lifestyle products. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best full-body massage chairs in 2026, featuring the most advanced models with incredible comfort, smart massage technology, zero-gravity relaxation, and full-body stress relief to help you feel refreshed right at home. Whether you're looking to relax after a long day, reduce muscle tension, or upgrade your wellness routine, this list has some amazing options you won't want to miss. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to Best Reviews and hit that like button so you never miss our latest reviews and top product picks. And if you want to learn more about any of the massage chairs featured in this video, you can find all the product links in the description box below. Number 5. MassaMAX Massage Chair, a 675. Starting our list at number 5 is the MassaMAX 675, a powerful 4D full-body massage chair designed for flexibility and deep relaxation. It features a smart body scan system that detects your body shape and pressure points for a customized massage every time. The flexible 172-degree SL track provides better spinal alignment and deeper stretching compared to standard massage chairs. You also get calf kneading rollers, automatic footrest extension, soothing lumbar heat therapy, and a relaxing zero-gravity recline mode. With 22 automatic massage programs and convenient voice control, this chair delivers premium comfort with minimal effort. Number 4. Culanta Full Body Massage Chair, U1. At number 4, we have the Culanta U1 Massage Chair, a stylish zero-gravity recliner packed with impressive features for full-body recovery. This chair uses intelligent body scanning to personalize every massage session and includes 5 automatic massage modes like relax, deep tissue, tie, stretch, and sleep. Its ergonomic 53-inch SL track covers the entire body from the neck down to the legs, while full-body airbags provide soothing compression massage. The built-in lumbar and calf heating helps improve circulation, and the deep yoga stretch function adds extra flexibility and relaxation. Foot rollers and adjustable recline positions complete the experience for total body comfort. Number 3. MassaMAX 4D Full Body Massage Chair. Taking the number 3 spot is another excellent option from MassaMAX, featuring advanced 4D massage technology for a highly personalized experience. This massage chair allows you to adjust the roller depth, speed, width, and height to target sore muscles exactly the way you want. The 55-inch SL track works together with full-body airbags to provide complete coverage from your neck to your thighs, arms, hips, calves, and feet. It also includes yoga stretching, waist and calf heating, foot rollers, and an extendable footrest for added comfort. One of the standout features is the AI voice control, letting you start massage programs completely hands-free. Number 2. HealthRelife 4D Massage Chair. Coming in at number 2 is the HealthRelife 4D Massage Chair, a luxurious zero-gravity recliner built for complete body relaxation. This chair features 40 strategically placed airbags that provide rhythmic compression massage from the shoulders all the way down to the feet, helping reduce muscle tension and improve circulation. The intelligent body scanning system customizes the massage to fit your body perfectly, while the long SL track follows the natural curve of your spine for better support and relaxation. It also includes yoga stretching mode, shiatsu foot massage, app control, and 2 zero-gravity positions that help reduce spinal pressure and promote deeper breathing. Number 1. Real Relax Favor 06 Massage Chair. And finally, taking the top spot on our list is the Real Relax Favor 06 Massage Chair, one of the most advanced and user-friendly massage chairs available in 2026. This chair combines 3 DSL track technology with full-body airbag massage to deliver continuous relaxation from the neck to the hips, while lumbar heating and foot rollers add even more comfort. One of its biggest highlights is the upgraded Bluetooth phone controller and phone holder, allowing you to relax while watching videos or browsing social media. It also features heart rate and blood pressure monitoring, a one-touch zero-gravity recline mode, and an exclusive child safety lock for extra peace of mind. With over 10 years of experience and thousands of satisfied customers, Real Relax truly delivers a premium full-body massage experience.